Hello traders, Gary Wagner here. It is 11:40 in Honolulu, 5:40 in New York on Thursday, 17th day of July, 2025, and this is the evening report for gold and silver. Gold prices retreated today as a confluence of economic factors created headwinds for the precious metal, while other members of the metals complex displayed remarkable resilience. Gold's decline reflected a broader market dynamics shaped by robust U.S. economic data and evolving monetary policy expectations by the Federal Reserve. Today, August gold declined by $8.80 or 0.26%, taking a troy ounce to $3,345.40. The most active August contract of silver futures gained 31 cents or 0.81%, taking a troy ounce to $38.43.5. Additionally, the gains in gold and silver had to first overcome dollar strength, which increased in value by 0.38%, taking the index to 98.659. Gold continues to consolidate with an extremely small price range from approximately $3,285 on the low and resistance at $3,380. Gold has been on a dynamic move to the upside throughout this entire year, trading at approximately $2,700 back as far as the last month of 2024, trading to an all-time record high above $3,500 during the last week of April, and then trading in a sideways and consolidating manner that we have identified as a compression triangle. Typically, in a compression triangle, it will have up to 5 waves or legs. Currently, we are looking at an A, B, and C. We are in a D wave now, although gold is really going sideways rather than up towards the upper level resistance line. And realize that when we identify a compression triangle, it can break to either direction. It can break below the support line or above the upper level resistance. But typically, we look for the break to be in the prevalent trend direction, which has certainly been higher this year, although gold is flirting very close with the lower support line of the compression triangle. There are 3 main types of compression triangles. The first one is a descending triangle in which you have the upper resistance line descending or sloping down and a flat bottom. The second kind is an ascending triangle in which you have a flat top and an ascending bottom. And the third type, the type that we are currently looking at, is a symmetrical triangle, which is a neutral triangle which can break out either from the lower level support or upper level resistance line. The basic psychology of a compression triangle is that this upper level resistance line represents the top level in which the sellers are actively trying to move prices back down, and the bullish faction or buyers are looking at the bottom or support line trying to push prices back up. Although we look at this compression triangle as having the potential to have 5 legs or waves, triangle breakouts tend to happen at approximately 2/3 to 3/4 the length of the entire pattern. We are absolutely past the 2/3 and in the 3/4 pattern length, which means that a break either below the support line or above the resistance line could be imminent within the next week. In terms of the profit potential, or what we look for a minimum profit target, is by measuring the top level resistance line and the lower level support line and measure the height of this triangle. From that point, we look at this particular value and look at the breakout itself from the level or price point in which it broke out to determine where gold could go to once it breaks out, which is telling us anywhere between 3,700 and 3,780 at the upper level. This has been Gary Wagner wishing you, as always, good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next evening report. Bye-bye.